Hi children, 6th class maths, page number 9, exercise 1.3, exercise 1.3, 1, 2, 3 Romans completed. Now fourth Roman. Write the numbers in expanded form. Write the numbers in expanded form. Expanded form. First problem is expanded form. They are asking expanded form. Listen careful, all of you. Write the numbers in expanded form. 6,40,156. Here, expanded form. See here, ones place is 6. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000, lakhs. So, highest place value is lakhs. Now, 6 into lakhs, 6 into lakhs are another model I will explain. See here, ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000, lakhs. Lakhs. Okay. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000, lakhs. So here ones place is 6, tens place 5, hundreds place 1, thousand place 0, 10,000 place 4, lakh place 6 is equal to 6 into lakhs. 1 lakh is equal to how many zeros? How many zeros? Suppose we don't know. Here 6 after how many digits are there? Count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Keep here 5 zeros. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000, lakhs. Okay. Next one, 4 into 10,000 plus 0 into 1,000 plus 1 into 100 plus 5 into 10 plus 6 into 1. Because expanded form is place value. Place value into place of the digit. Place value into place of the digit. Here face value is 6. Place of the digits lakhs place. Here face value 4. Place of the digit 10,000. Next one, face value is 0. Place of the digit 1,000. Next one, face value 1, place of the digit 100, place of the digit 100. Next one, face value 5, place of the digit tens. Face value 6, place of the digit ones. So 6 into 1, 6. Here how many zeros are there? Yes, 5 zeros are there. Keep 5 zeros, product of the right side. Plus 4 into 1. 4 into 1, 4. How many zeros are there? 4 zeros are there. Put 4 zeros, product of the right side. Plus 0 into anything is 0. We know that. So 1 into 1. 1. How many zeros are there? 2 zeros are there. Plus 5 into 10. 50. Plus 6 into 1. 6. 6 into 1. 6. This is the expanded form. Okay? Next problem is can you rub the board? Okay. Next problem is ₹63,20,500. 63,20,500. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakhs, 10 lakhs, crores, 10 crores. Now, ones place is 0, tens place 0, hundreds place 5, thousand place 0, 10,000 place 2, lakh place 3, 10 lakhs place 6. Now, the expanded form is equal to 6 into 10 lakh. 6 into 10 lakh. Okay. Plus 10 lakh means how many zeros? Yes, 6 zeros. 10 lakh means 6 zeros. We don't know means 6 after 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 digits are there. Keep 6 zeros. Okay. Next one, 3 into lakh. 5 zeros plus 2 into 10,000, 4 zeros plus 0 into 1000 plus 5 into 100 plus 0 into 10 plus 0 into 1. See here, 6 into 1, close all zeros, close all zeros, 6 into 1, 6. Here how many zeros are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Put 5 zeros, 6 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Put 6 zeros product of the right side. Next one, 3 into 1, 3. How many zeros? 5 zeros. Put 5 zeros product of the right side. Next one, 2 into 1, 2 into 1, 2. How many zeros? 4 zeros. Product of the right side. Plus 0 into anything is 0. We know that. So 5 into 100, 500. Plus 0 into 10. We know that 0 into anything is 0. Plus 0 into 1 is 0. So this is the expanded form. I understand or not? See once. Okay? Next problem. Next problem. Next problem. Are you understand? This is not understand. See once all of you. See once. $60 lakh plus 3 lakh plus 20,000 plus 500. Okay. This is the expanded form. Next third Roman. Third Roman. One crore 25 lakh 30,000 275. Asking in expanded form. Asking in expanded form. Now place value chart. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakhs, 10 lakhs, crores, 10 crores. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000, lakhs, 10 lakhs, crore, 10 crores. Okay. Now, ones place is 5, tens place 7, 100 place 2, 1000 place 0, 10,000 place 3, lakhs place 5, 10 lakhs place 2, crores place 1, 10 crore place not given anyone. Now, listen carefully all of you. Expanded form. Expanded form is equal to 1 into 1 into what is the place value here? Place value means face value into place of the digit. Place of the digit. So 1 into crore. 1 crore is equal to how many zeros? Yes, 7 zeros. How many zeros? 7 zeros. Suppose we don't know means after 1, how many digits are there? Count once. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 digits are there. So keep 1 after 7 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Plus 2 into 10 lakh. Okay. 10 lakh plus 5 into lakh plus 3 into 10,000 plus 0 into 1000 plus 2 into 100. 2 into 100 plus 7 into 10 plus 5 into 1. 5 into 1. Because here 5 is 1 place 5 into 1. Now, listen careful all of you. 1 into 1 crore. 1 into 1 crore. So, here keep 1 into 1 crore. 1 into 1, 1. How many zeros are there? 7 zeros are there. Keep 7 zeros product of the right side. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Plus 2 into 1, 2. Put 6 zeros product of the right side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Plus 5 into 1, 5. How many zeros are there? 5 zeros are there. Keep 5 zeros. Product of the right side. Next one, 3 into 1. 3. How many zeros are there? 4 zeros are there. Put 4 zeros product of the right side. 0 into 1000. 0 into anything is 0. Next one, 2 into 100. 200. Plus 7 into 10. 70. Plus 5 into 1. 5. 5 ones are 5. 7 tens are 70. This is the expanded form. Are you understand or not? See once all of you. Okay. Next problem. Homework. Next problem. Homework. This is homework for you. Homework for you. Fourth Roman, fourth problem, homework for you. Okay? Fourth Roman, fourth problem, homework. All numbers, do and count. Okay. I understand? Okay, thank you. Thank you.